Hello everyone, welcome back to Curry Kitchen. So today we are going to make Aalu Matar ki Sabzi. So basically Aalu and Matar means like Aalu is like a potato and the green peas. It's very simple. I know nowadays everybody busy in their life and they want to have more time relaxing, so don't want to invest so much time in the cooking. So I'm going to show you the easiest way you can cook the fresh meal, and also you'll get the more time to relax with your family. So here's the pan. We're gonna turn it on slowly here, and for making the Aalu Matar ki Sabzi, what we need basically, of course, we need a potato. It's a boiled half. If you don't have boiled, if you want to cook quickly, you can make like small dices. They are a little bit big because they are boiled already. But if you have time, boil it and keep in the refrigerator. They are good for 4 to 5 days, and you can make the different variety of food from those boiled potatoes. So that's easier. That's what I do. But if you want to use the fresh, you can cut the dice. They can cook quickly. So of course we have green peas, and I have some chopped onion, half tomato chopped, and this is the cashew. Just I'm showing you, I make the cashew paste here. I fry the cashew, then I make the little bit, add the water and the puree. So that's the cashew paste here. And if you wanna, you can boil. If you don't wanna fry, you can boil cashew, then make the paste. That will work too. And I have like a half tablespoon of the cumin seed here, and I have chopped garlic. I have a little bit cumin powder, half tablespoon. I have salt. I have like a turmeric. We can use the half of that. I have garam masala. We can use the like a half teaspoon. We're gonna use it, not all of that. I have the coriander powder. It's like a half tablespoon here. We're gonna use all of that, and some chili powder, a little bit oil. I have a little bit cream. And if you want to use, you can use butter as well. But if you don't want to use, and if you like it, you can use the cream and butter. If you don't like it, you can make vegan as well. That's fine. So, so we're gonna use a little bit cream and the 1 tablespoon butter I have on the side. So let's start. Our pan is hot here. We're gonna add some oil. Here. I'm gonna make faster. So this process goes in faster here. So now we're gonna add some cumin seed here. Nice. Garlic and chopped onion. We're gonna give them nice and golden brown color. So make sure you don't burn onion. If you think like you cannot control it, you can add a little bit salt. You release the water from the onion, that helps. Also you can reduce the fire. So reduce the fire, that will work too. So yeah, nice. A little bit faster here. High flame here. We're gonna add, this is like around like a little bit less than 1 cup green peas here. So we're gonna saute the green peas nicely. Saute them nicely. We're gonna add a little bit salt here on the green peas. We're gonna season them a bit. So you can see the green peas, they are nicely sauteed. Yeah. They're getting nice color, nice smell coming from there. So at this point, we're gonna use chopped tomatoes. And I have a video, different video. In that video, I make like onion tomato masala. So that one you can make very easily and keep it in the refrigerator. Also you can freeze it, make it the portion and freeze it. So if you have that, you don't need to use the chopped onion and chopped tomato. Just use that masala we call like a onion tomato masala. That you can use it straight away. So it makes it a lot quicker. So even in 5 to 10 minutes, your food is ready and fresh, you know. And now we're gonna use some potatoes in here. Of course, a little bit salt here. I love salt, but be careful, not too much salt. I'm adding just little by little. And we're gonna use some turmeric here. Like 1 teaspoon around. Now we're gonna use the cumin powder. It's like a half tablespoon, all of that. We're gonna use the coriander powder, half tablespoon, all of that. I have garam masala, like a half teaspoon, that's enough. And the chili powder, around like a 1 teaspoon. Or masalas, I don't want to get burned, just bring them nice aroma but don't get burned. So that's the main thing. So you can saute here. I lower the fire. I'm gonna add the cashew paste here and a little bit water if you need it. Little bit water. And remember, if I said add the water, but don't add a lot of water in one time. That's gonna make a problem to the dish because it's gonna thin all the spices. They're gonna wash away. So we're gonna add some cream here. It's like half cup cream here. Remember, the cream is like it's up to you how much you wanna use it. You don't have to use it. So here, and I'm gonna add a little bit more water here. Now I'm gonna turn on the flame higher. So this is the main trick. You need to know when the fire should be high and when the fire should be low. That's the main thing. Otherwise you'll burn your dish. Beautiful. So once it's boiling, then I'm gonna lower the fire again. So put it in the simmer. And I'm gonna add a little bit salt now again. Just a little bit. This looks amazing, guys. It's amazing. So now I wanna add a little bit butter in it. Just like a 1 teaspoon, not more than that. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good again. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water because it's getting too thick. So remember, never put the water one time, a lot of water. So that's gonna make your dish bad, and also it's gonna taste bad. So water always we add just a little bit, just little by little. And if you're cooking for your kids, you don't have to add the chili powder. You don't need to make it spicy. You can make very mild. If you cannot handle the spice more, you can always lower the spices. This can be mild as you want or harder as you want. So you don't have to scare. So now our dish is ready. So just few seconds. gonna turn it off the fire. And I got some plain rice here, so I'm gonna add on the plain rice. This is my lunch, guys. Garnish with some cilantro. Let's see how it is. You can eat with the bread also if you want it. It looks so good. It is so delicious, guys. So delicious. Trust me. You guys need to try this dish. And please, if you like it, subscribe my channel, Curry Kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.